Jamie, what are you doing?
Shh, I'm reading. It's important. It's gonna make me smarter.
Oh, well, okay. I won't bother you then. Except to say, you'll be the smartest person on the block if you make your home a smart home. Many homes today have some kind of smart technology for lighting, thermostats, and security systems. High tech can have a high price tag, but the Leviton company's Decora smart switches, dimmers, and outlets make it possible for any house to be a smart house.
We're both language arts teachers. I teach high school and he teaches
8th grade.
Marley and Jason live with their 2 children, Violet and Atticus, in their house built in 1977. Every spring, they decide on a new house project. This year, it's installing smart lighting.
For us, we go on vacations for 2 weeks at a time, and this will make it look like we're home.
Marley and Jason opted for Leviton smart dimmers, switches, and plug-ins, available in hardware stores or by ordering online.
Leviton's 112 years old. 1906 was our first product, and it was actually a gas mantle tip. So fast forward a few years, and Thomas Edison comes across our founder, Isidore Leviton. So Mr. Leviton came out with the device that was a porcelain lamp holder with a little pull chain, a bead pull chain. That was our very first electric product back in 1910.
But is 21st century technology that easy?
Yeah, installation is really simple. You just need functional light bulbs, make sure that those are working properly, and light switches. Then you can have a screwdriver, electrical tape, and a voltage tester, and just know where your circuit breaker is. That's it.
What are you doing?
I'm looking at the paper instructions were pretty clear, but I'm nervous about the electrical, so we watched the videos right on their website.
First, you will need to identify the type of wiring in each wall box.
It tells you step by step, and that made me feel a little more confident that I was doing it right.
Safety is a priority here, obviously. There is live chat that you can talk to us, there's in-app information, how-to videos, so many things that can make sure you install this properly and safely.
I was just a little bit worried about actually touching electrical wires, but it was very easy once we turned off the circuit breaker, and then it was just a couple of screws and pushing it back in. It was easier than I thought it would be.
The app is really fantastic. We make kind of a wizard-based app, so that way as you get rolling, it guides you throughout that process.
I like apps, and I like being able to customize things, instead of just it's on, it's off, but I can program that it goes on and it's dim or make it brighter.
All right, ready? Let's see if it goes down. Hang on. Mood lighting.
Marley also chose plug-in dimmers for the lamps in the living room.
So the plug-in one was, first of all, really easy. You plug it in, you plug it into the wall, but what I didn't realize it was going to have was the dimming feature. So that was really cool.
Customizing the look of the switches is cool too. There are 6 colors to choose from. And of course, there's voice activation.
Yeah, today, one of the really cool things with home automation is voice control.
Alexa, all on.
And being able to actually talk to your devices and have them react.
Well, you don't even have to use the app. So if you want to just say, Alexa, turn off the lights, they'll go off.
For extra safety, your lights can be timed, so when you're away, they can come on at sunset or even later. You'll never have to walk into a dark house again. But perhaps some of the best possibilities for this Leviton technology don't have anything to do with lights.
Hooking up to the Xbox would be a good thing to be able to turn off from our bedroom.
Right, so we're going to sleep and going, go to bed! And we can just go, good night.
Dad.
Leviton Decora products have a 5-year guarantee and are affordably priced to make it easy to switch any home to a smart home. Come on, let's get ready to work out with Bowflex.
Next on Make This Place Your Home.